Welcome to Sajjan Education Hub. Coordinate geometry important question. First question. What is the ratio in which the line segment joining 2, -3 and 5, 6 is divided by x-axis? Here we have to use the ratio formula m1 by m2. Then we will find the ratio. Now second question. A point x, y is at a distance of 5 units from the origin. How many such points lie in the third quadrant? Here in the third quadrant, the answer is infinitely many. Okay, there will be many points in the third quadrant. Now third question. The distance of the point -1, 7 from the x-axis. From the x-axis it will be 7. The distance of the point -1, 7 from the x-axis will be 7. Now the distance of the point -6, 8 from the origin is, we have to apply the distance formula. D is equal to square root of x square plus y square. That will be 6 square plus 8 square will be 36 plus 64 will be 100. Root 100 will be 10. Now a triangle with vertices 4, 0, -1, -1 and 3, 5 is that. They have given 4 options. We have to use the distance formula and find whether it is a equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, isosceles right angle triangle or none of these. Sixth question. The line segment joining the points P of -3, 2 and Q of 5, 7 is divided by y-axis is. They have given 4 options. If we use the ratio formula, we can find the correct answer. Now seventh question. If P of A by 3 divided by 4 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the points Q of -6, 5 and R of -2, 3, then the value of A is. Here if you apply the midpoint formula, then we will get the value of A. Now eighth question. C of P, 4 is the interior point on the line joining A of 3, 5 and B of 9, 3. Then value of P is. Here also if you apply the section formula, we will know the value of P. Now ninth question. If point C of Q by 2, 4 is the midpoint of A of P, 0 and B of 0, Q, then the value of P by Q plus Q by P. Here if you apply the midpoint formula, you will get the value of Q and P. Then if you solve this, you will get the value of P by Q plus Q by P. So tick the right answer in the given 4 option. Now 10th question is case study question. Maximum they will give 1 case study question on coordinate geometry. These are the coordinate geometry 10 important questions.